High vibrational energy repels those low vibing forces. I feel like you have outgrown a lot of people. Some of these individuals could have been past partners who you were very attached to, who you felt like you will never get over. Trust me, we've all been there, right? Some of these individuals could have been family members, they could have been friends that were like family. I'm hearing for some of you, they could have been a best friend, you know, but you have evolved lately. You are transforming on a daily basis. And these individuals are very scared of your transformation and they're very eager to be around you. These individuals did not want you to be independent. They were very satisfied with the fact that you had a lot of dependency on them. Now, this dependency could have been in regards to, what you should wear, who you should speak to, who you should date, where you should go. You place a lot of your power into these individuals' hands. Maybe for some of you, you looked up to these individuals. And these individuals saw an insecurity within you that they manipulated and that they controlled. Your life was never dependent on their approval. The validation that you seeked outwardly always resided within, meaning that first one has to validate self as opposed to looking outwardly for validation. You see, these individuals that you were seeking validation from don't even rate themselves. They don't even think much of themselves. They look up to you and they could see your power. They could see that you were on your way to success. And they could also see that you didn't have the confidence within yourself. But now you have taken back your power. You're growing independent. You're getting yourself out there. You're aligning with other people. And you're starting to notice that these individuals that you put on a pedestal. Now, I'm not saying that to tell you off, TikTok family member, because trust me, I've been there before as well, right? So I'm just a messenger, right? These people that you put on a pedestal, you're starting to see that these individuals are lost out here. They don't have a plan. They walk around aimlessly. For some of you, creating havoc in other people's lives. They wore a mask of confidence. And they try to dictate and control what you should do, what you shouldn't do, who you should talk to. They're losing power. They're losing power because you are leveling up. And the more you level up, the more your vibrations rise. And the more you rise in your vibration, the more these individuals cannot attach themselves to you anymore. Because these people are very stuck in life, you see, and they have blocked many opportunities from you. Many opportunities, job opportunities, for some of you, a commitment. Some of you are going to get into a life-changing commitment that could have led to a marriage, or this individual that you were connected to was loyal, was stable. They may have been working on their finances, but this person was true. But whoever this individual was, they managed to manipulate you into thinking that this person was out for your money, this person wasn't into you, or, this person was disloyal, that ended up cheating on you or something like that. Or this person didn't have enough money to be with you. And because of this, you ended up taking another path. But some of you are going to get this opportunity again with this individual, but others of you, you may meet someone else because you are growing in your confidence, because you are not seeking validation from this person's approval. This person wanted to keep you stunted, or these people wanted to keep you stunted. This could have been family members for some of you, yo. For others of you, this person could have been like family. This could have been people at work colleagues. This could have been a partner for some of you. For some of you, this individual was happy with the fact that you were making less money than them. And now you have been given an opportunity whereby the job that you are in is paying you more than them. You're getting double the amount, quadruple the amount. And they can't stand it. Because maybe before you were reliant on their finances. Not anymore. And your energy is repelling these people away from you. These people are scrambling to be near you though. And they will scramble to be near you. But Spirit's going to keep blocking them time and time again. Because you're not an energetic match anymore. These people are low vibrational. They're mentally unstable. They're vindictive. They're bad-minded. They have no plan. They're all over the place. They're scattered. Their life is in disarray. And Spirit doesn't want you anywhere near them. Because when you were aligned with these individuals, things weren't popping off for you either. Because whatever blockages were occurring in their life were spinning on over into yours. And Spirit's fed up. Because you're destined for success. These individuals have no morals. You know, they try to take shortcuts in life. And they wanted you to be like them. And for some of you, when you were hanging around these individuals, you started to take on their energy. And you started to see that, you know, you were getting a lot of karma because of your association. Now, for some of you, you may feel like, oh, but they're my friend and they're so kind to me. Nah. You are on another level now. You're on another timeline. And because you've removed yourself from these individuals, you're going to start seeing a lot of positive changes in your life. I'm talking from love. I'm talking from money. I'm talking from a home move for some of you. Just simply because you've leveled up and their energy cannot catch up with yours. Many manifestations are going to start coming into your life. And because of this, Spirit is not going to want these individuals, could be up to 9 people, around you. Because they're going to spoil it. Like they spoiled it before. They wanted to keep you hidden. They wanted to keep you for themselves. They wanted you to even not believe in yourself. You know, they downgraded you. They didn't respect you. You thought that they respected you. They didn't respect you. No, they didn't respect you. Because if they respected you, they would have moved out of the way and let you lead the life that you designed and that you deserved. They didn't want you to get into a position of power. Even if you were in a position of power, they downgraded you. They didn't treat you like you were in a position of power. If it was a spouse, they didn't act like they were a spouse. They acted like they were your enemy. Like they were your competitor. And now you've moved away. And it's been guided by Spirit. And these people are very confused with why things are not like how it was before. Because you can see them for who they really are. And even if you're awakening to who these people are in the now and you're not fully there, your spirit guides can see. And your spirit guides don't want you in alignment with these people no more. Maybe you were connected to these people at a time because you were in a frequency that aligned with theirs. You may have been in the energy of holding back, being quite repressed, you know, feeling quite insecure. And it connected with their energy. You know what the saying is, like attracts like. But you worked on yourself. Slowly by slowly, you're building yourself back up again. And you're not resonating with these people no more. So they can't energetically block you like they did before. They can't block you from love. Their mind games and manipulations are backfiring, or they will. Which is going to leave you open to the love that you desire and that you deserve, and love for self first. And because you are loving yourself first and pouring into yourself, connecting with other people, you're realizing that these people ain't ish, and they never have been. And their energy will not connect with yours again. not in this lifetime.